Hello everyone, this is Mrs Oladokun from the house team, the head of Red House. As mentioned earlier in the year, each half term we will focus on an inspirational woman. And this term's inspirational woman is someone that I really admire. Okay, this term's inspirational woman is Michelle Obama, the former First Lady of the United States of America. She is married to Barack Obama, the 44th and first African American president of the United States. Michelle was born on the 17th of January 1964 and lived with her parents and brother Craig in the south side of Chicago. This area of Chicago is not an affluent area. Her parents were not rich. In fact, they lived in a first-floor apartment rented to them by Michelle's great-aunt. Michelle and Barack were later to live in that same flat when they first got married. Growing up, Michelle was raised with a strong emphasis on education. Both she and her brother learned to read at home by age 4. Michelle and her brother had learned so much at home to give them both an advantage in the classroom. She skipped second grade, that is our year 3, and by 6th grade, which is year 7, Michelle was taking classes in her school's gifted program, learning French and biology at a very young age. Michelle attended her city's first magnet school for gifted children, and later, through her continued dedication to her studies and hard work, she was admitted into Princeton University, an Ivy League school, where she studied sociology and later went on to Harvard to study law. Did you know? Growing up, Michelle's family did not have much money at all and lived in a one-bed apartment, the one rented to them by Michelle's great-aunt. Michelle and Craig had to sleep in the living room with only a sheet to divide the room. Did you also know Michelle graduated as salutatorian, which means she had the second highest grades in her high school class of 1981. Michelle was Barack Obama's mentor when he did his summer internship at the firm where she worked. That was where they first met. Did you know that at the time that Barack Obama decided to run for president, Michelle actually made more money than he did? Hers was the main income of the household. Also, during the first year of Barack Obama's presidency, himself and Michelle spent a great deal of their free time volunteering in soup kitchens for the homeless. So, if you happen to meet Michelle Obama, what question would you ask her? I'm sure there are lots of questions, lots of things running through your mind that you might ask her. Well, a few people have asked her what she wanted to be when she grew up. Actually, Michelle Obama hates that question. She says that the question assumes that one day you will become something and then you stopped growing as a person. Michelle actually loves the idea that you can continue to learn, grow, and change for the rest of your life. You don't stop growing. You don't just become and that's the end of it. You continue to learn. So what might Michelle to say to you? In an emotional moment while addressing a group of young Americans, Michelle said, "I want our young people to know that they matter, that they belong. So don't be afraid. You hear me, young people? Don't be afraid. Be focused, be determined, be hopeful, be empowered. Empower yourself with a good education. Then get out there and use that education to build a country worthy of your boundless promise. Lead by example, never fear. Michelle appreciates the power of having a good education. And so she would say to you in particular today, empower yourself with a good education. Finally, girls, despite the extremely difficult times that we are in, not being able to come into school and learn in the usual normal way, it's very easy to give in and to give up. But we want to say to you, continue to work hard as you have been doing. Stay focused. Remember, you have to empower yourself. And the way to do that is staying focused, working hard, continuing to study, and also you must stay focused, stay positive. Okay? I know it's easy to be very negative, especially with what's going on around. But remember these three things: work hard, stay focused, and be positive. Take care, everyone. Bye.